Okay, here's robot system number 2. This one comes with 2 start boxes. It has safety on it. It's got light curtains for this side. It's got light curtains for that side. Hold on just a minute.
I found the paperwork.
Oh, you did?
Well, yeah.
Okay, I'd like to see it. I'm fixing to start it.
You know how much it's sold for? Days?
Yeah, I'd like to see that. This is on a slider.
That's equivalent in
Oh, this is on a slider, and it's got this big, huge Preston Easton positioner. So I'm gonna start it.
I have it all, y'all.
You want to see it work? There you go. Simulating welding the beams, but you could weld uprights on this system as well. Notice the robot moves on the slider. That's the reason it can get to the whole frame there. And then you got 2 extra tables. You got 1 table here, 1 table here. So it's a pretty good system. Just a little dirty. Everything worked.